Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to DevOps King channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of different tasks about Azure DevOps and AWS. Today, in part 5, we shall discuss the pipeline in Kubernetes on Azure Cloud. On this channel, you will find the training material for Docker, Kubernetes Terraform, and web. If you have any query, please comment on the channel. All the video on this channel are prepared by certified DevOps engineer. In order to search the channel on the YouTube, please use our DevOps King. You will find the channel DevOps King. Please click the subscribe button so that you can get the notification about the latest upload on the channel. Let's start for the part 5 of this series of AKS series. First of all, now we shall configure the Docker registry. In the previous part, when we click on the service connection, after that we shall get the interface, this one, as you can see on the screen. So in this case, we shall select the Docker registry, and after that we shall click the next button. When we click the next button, in the same page for the Docker registry services, we shall get the three options. One is Docker Hub, others, and Azure Container Registry. As we are working on the Azure Container Registry, so we shall select the third one. We shall select Managed Service Identity here, as we are using the admin user of the Azure Cloud. After that, we shall write the subscription ID of our account, a subscription name, and the tenant ID of our account. These are the parameters that ACR need for the full functionality with the AKS. So after this, in the below section of this page of the Docker service connection, apply the container registry login server. This is the server name for the ACR. In the start of this series, I have created the AKS and ACR by using the Terraform. When we create the ACR and AKS by using the Terraform, then from the portal we shall get the server URL for this one. We shall get the server for the login. And the service name connection is ACR20 and after that we shall click this grant success permission to all pipeline. After providing all these parameters, we shall click on the save button. When we click on the save button, we shall get this interface. Now up to this point, we have configured the service connection for the images to push on the ACR. So in this case, in the pipeline section of this, we shall have build image. In the build image, we shall provide some parameter like the Azure subscription, and after that we shall provide the Azure Container Registry, as already we discussed this one. And in the next part of this, on the same section of build image, we shall provide the other parameter in the bottom portion. Like we shall provide the Docker file, this parameter as well, build image, because we are building the image by using the Docker file. And after that we shall click this context. Build context means the area covered by the folder, or you can say the namespace for the build of the image. Now after this, on the bottom line, there are the more parameters that we shall provide in the build image section. We shall provide the name of the image that will be pushed to the ACR. This is the server name, this is the image name, and this is the ID of the build ID, because we want to differentiate each image from the other one. After this, we shall click on the save and queue. When we click on the save and queue, our image will be built. Now after this up to this point we have built the image. Now we shall consume that image in the release section in the AKS. For this, first of all, we shall configure the release section. We shall click on the pipeline. After that, we shall click on the release section. When we click on the release section, after that, we shall get the interface, this interface. After clicking on the release section, we shall click on the new combo box. In the new combo box, we get the two options, new release pipeline and another one, the import release pipeline. In this, we shall select the first one, new release pipeline. When we click on this, we shall get the interface like you can see this one. When we click on the new release pipeline, after this, we shall search the deploy to the Kubernetes cluster. So in this case, when you check this icon for the deployment to the Kubernetes cluster, we shall click on the apply button so that we can add it in our release section as we are deploying our image to the AKS. So in the remaining section, in the part 6 of AKS series, we shall complete the release section, and moreover we are also configure on the Cloudflare so that we can successfully deploy our application on the AKS by using the Cloudflare. See you in the next part 6 of this series.